Okay, so this is the Lactase Lab. We're going to see if Lactase works on these two samples of milk. So one sample of milk is our control. It just contains milk. And our second sample is our experimental group. It contains milk, and we drop some lactate pills in there. And we want to see if those lactate pills really work. All right, so to test them, I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then put in my giant fake glucose test strips. So lactate's job is to turn lactase break it into glucose. So if lactate's doing its job, there should be some glucose in the experimental milk because the lactate would break that lactase into glucose. So when I take out my test strips, my control group, it did not change color. So that makes sense, right? Because there's no lactate pill in there. My experimental group turned brown, indicating the presence of glucose. And that makes sense because that lactate pill broke my lactase down into sugar, which was detected by my glucose test strip. So that is a positive test for sugar, for glucose in my experimental group, and a negative result for my control group.